Hello friends, welcome to Classes of Preet. Today I'm going to teach you probability. Okay, so let's start. It is the concept which numerically measures the degree of certainty of the occurrence of an event. Okay, so probability is the concept which measures the degree, means how many times the event will occur. Okay, from the total number of occurrence, how much time that event will occur. So let's see the classical definition. In a random experiment, let S be the sample space, okay, and E be the event. Then E S, the probability of occurrence of E is defined as P of E equals to number of distinct elements in E by number of distinct elements in S equals to N of E and N of S. Okay, now see, here it has written some examples. We will read it first. First is written tossing a coin. When we toss a coin, the upper face of it shows either a head or a tail. Yeah, of course, it shows either a head or a tail. So sample space is H and T. When two coins are tossed simultaneously, means at a time two coins are tossed, then we have the probability to get in the coins both the heads or both the tails, or one head one tail, or one tail one head. Okay, so this is called sample space. Means what are the probabilities? Means all the probabilities are under the sample space. Okay, then throwing a die. A die is a solid cube having 6 faces marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, or having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. In throwing a die, the outcome is the number or number of dots appearing on the uppermost face. So all of you are playing Ludo, so you know how the die works. So the plural of die is dice. Okay, when a die thrown, we have sample space equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means in a die 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there, so that's why means all total numbers are there as considered as sample space. Okay, now we will read the most important thing, drawing cards from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Many children are suffering problem with this type of questions. So now I will teach you what is the easy way to solve these questions, this type of questions. Okay, now a pack of playing cards has in all 52 cards. Okay, so now see here, spades and clubs. Spades is known as in Hindi pan patta and club is known as teen patta. Am I right? So these both are of black colors. Remember this always. Okay, these both are in black color, and hearts and diamonds are in the red color. So by remembering this only, you can solve all the questions. Okay, now each suit means 13 spades are there, 13 clubs are there, 13 hearts and 13 diamonds, means 13 cards of each of the 4 suits. Okay, so in 13 cards of each suit there are 3 owner cards, means important cards, or you can say face cards. Okay, namely kings, queens and jack. Okay, so king, queen and jack. In all the 13 means 4 cards, spade, club, heart and diamond, they 4 have king, queen, jack. He all means club also have, heart also have, diamond also have. So total king, queen, jack means face cards are 3 into 4 equals to 12. So total cards means face cards are 12. Okay, so sure event. Now sure event is 1, means in the probability sure event is 1, and if it is impossible event then it will be 0. Then complementary event is there, so probability of E equals to 1 minus probability of not E is known as complementary event. Okay, so let's see questions. Okay, so let's solve some questions. Three dice are tossed simultaneously. Describe the S. Find the probability of getting at most two heads, at least two heads, exactly two heads. At most two heads means if there is two heads, then also it's okay. If no head is there, then also it's okay. If less than two heads are there, then also it's okay. If it is written at least two heads, means there should be two heads or more than two heads, then only it will be considered in at least two heads. Okay, so let's solve. First, here we are asked to write the sample space, means describe the sample space. So first we will write sample space. Okay, S equals to, in curly brackets we write the sample space. Okay, so first is H H H, H T H, then T T T, then H T T, then T H H, T T H, then T H T. Okay, so these are the sample space, means a number of occurrences can be there in the coins when we toss it. Okay, so all we have written. Now we have to see at most two heads. First we have to write at most two heads. At most two heads means 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, means 6 are there. So I have missed here one, that is HHT. Okay, so here we have 7. So we will write n. First we will write n of s, means n of s means sample space of first event. Okay, is our HTH, then TTT, then HTT, then THH, then TTH, then THT, then HHT. Okay, so these are sample space of event 1. Then we will write probability of event 1 equals to, first n of event 1 we have to write, that is 7. So probability of event 1 is 7 by 8. Then second also we will write as same. First n of s we will write by your own. Now here we have at least two heads, means we will consider HHH 1 2 3 and 4, means 4 are there. So our answer is 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, equals to 1 by 2, means we have to write here n of s. Sorry, this is probability of event 2. Okay, then third is probability of event 3 equals to exactly two heads. So in exactly two heads are 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, so 3 are there, so we will write 3 by 8. Okay, so let's solve next question. So our next question is, two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting first 10 as the sum of two numbers that turn up, a doublet of even numbers, a total of at least 10, a multiple of 3 as the sum of two numbers that turn up. Okay, so now see here, I have written sample space. Okay, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, like this. Okay, these are the sample space of this question. Okay, so now it was asked that 10 as the sum of two numbers that turn up. 10 means, see here, 4 6 plus 1 6 plus 2 equals to 8, 6 plus 3 equals to 9, 6 plus 4 equals to 10, means 4 plus 6 equals to 10. So 10 10 and 10, so three numbers are there. So our event equals to 4 by 4 6 6 4 and 5 5. Okay, so our probability will be 3 by 36, that will be 1 by 12. Okay, our first answer will be 3 by 36 equals to 1 by 12. Okay, now the easy way to find this sample space is, it was told that two dice are tossed, so we will write 6 sides are there of a dice, so 6 to the power 2 equals to 36, means total is 36. So we will write 3 by 36 equals to 1 by 12. Okay, now second was asked a doublet of even numbers, means 2 2 4 4 6 6. Even numbers was asked, that's why 2 2 4 4 6 6. Here also 3 are there, so our second answer is 3 by 36 equals to 1 by 12. Okay, then third was asked a total of at least 10. So total of at least 10s are this. 6 plus 4 means more than 10 will be written, then also it's okay, but not less than. So 6 plus 4 10, 6 plus 4 10, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 5 equals to 11, 5 plus 6 equals to 11, 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So this all will work. Okay, so there are total 6. So 6 by 36 equals to 1 by 6. So 4 is multiple of 3 as the sum of two numbers that turn up, means multiple of 3. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, so 3 is a multiple of 3. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So 6 is a multiple of 3. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So 3 multiple of 3. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 is a multiple of 3. In this way we will solve this. Okay. Now we will do 13 number. Okay, one card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of drawing an ace. Now we have to find the probability of drawing an ace. Okay, so 4 cards means 4 are there: spade, club, heart and diamond. So 4 ace is there. Total cards are 52, so 4 by 52 we will write. Okay, in second card a 5 of a red suit is given. Red suit means red color cards. 5 in a red color card. So in a red color cards are 2 red color cards are there. So 5 in one red color card there will once a 5. So 2. So 2 by 52. A black queen. So black queen will be 2. So 2 by 52 because 2 black cards are there. Club and spade. A jack of spade. It was asked that spade, in spade one jack. So there is one jack only in spade. So 1 by 52. A 10 of hearts. 10 of hearts means in heart 10 number card. So in heart 10 number card will come once. So it will be 1 by 52. A face card. So face cards are 12. So 12 by 52. Okay. So these are the probability. Then we will do this question. A bag contains 6 black, 5 white and 9 green balls. One ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball drawn is black? Now black it was asked. So 6 plus 5 equals to your 11. 11 plus 9 equals to your 20. So 6 by 20 is your answer of black, not green, means leaving that green. So 6 plus 5 equals to 11 by 20. So 11 by 20 is your answer of not green. Either white or green, means either white or green. So 9 plus 5 equals to your 14. So 14 by 20. Neither white nor black, means neither white nor black. So there are 9 green balls. So 9 by 20. In this way you will get your answer. And please comment me how you like, means if you like this video, so please like and subscribe it, comment it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video.